Hello, my name is Gaurav and I'm here to talk about our recent experience with Dynamics 365 Business Central implementation. Very recently, we have gone live with Dynamics 365 Business Central Wave 2 with one of our US-based customer in a CPG and manufacturing industry. The company has acquired several businesses over the period, and these businesses have been running multiple applications and separate applications to address their business requirements and operations. The major challenge with the customer has been to bring all these entities and the companies onto one unified system without major disruption to the operations and the business. The company chose to implement D365 Business Central for the simple reason that it is the most robust and sustainable solution today, and at the same time it also provides great compatibility with Microsoft tools like Excel and Word. The challenge here has been, or I would say the aim here for the company side has been to bring in all its brands and sub-brands onto one integrated system, and for that nothing looked better than D365 Business Central. When the client approached Alletec, our consultants joined their digital transformation team in US and helped them figure out optimized processes for their business activities. This involved a lot of brainstorming, discussions, process mapping to come up with the refined set of processes, configurations and process mappings. This was the first implementation of the out-of-the-box features of Business Central, consisting of finance, sales, purchase, inventory and production modules on D365 Business Central Wave 2 for Alletec. The whole process from inception to go live took approximately 3 months, and now the organization is in discussion with us to implement the solution for the next set of brands very soon. The most important aspect of the project has been the great feedback which users shared about the platform, and what they feel is that the interface of Business Central is a lot easier than the application and the interface they were using earlier, and at the same time they are able to get the real-time information from the system without much hassle. So this was about our recent experience with the implementation of D365 Business Central Wave 2. We look forward to many more such videos on our experience. Please subscribe to our channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you. Gaurav from Alletec.